come along here. Hold up, I'm still eating my fisherman's friend. I have a friend. He's a fisherman, and I'm meeting him right now. Fucking puppy, hello. How are you doing? Nice. X-Block, hi. What the hell? Hello. Okay. The friend has been consumed. Hi, so minty. Mixie boy, hello. Little with beard. Random, hello. Currently at the 17. Hi, hi. Okay, so. Anyway, Ima, Frapper Sky, hello. Bookmin, Padaru. Okay, so here's what I have so far. I'm developing a mecha game now. Yes. Don't ask me about the other games I have made before. Don't ask. This is the game now. Steady, yahoo! Okay, so let me show you what I have done so far. This is the mecha game, right? So you can look around in your mecha. That's the enemy. You can move around like usual stuff. There's a bit of smoothing when you move, like acceleration and deceleration when you move. So yeah, just to make it, just to put in the detail. You know, it's just to add detail for it. Nix, hello. Gabriel, hello. The mech used to fly, but for now I think I don't need the flying mechanism just yet because the games, I guess, the game world or something. But we'll see. Momentum physics. I'm moving the mech using momentum also. You can shoot. And the bullet has like maximum effective range. When it runs out of momentum thingy, it will fall down like that. You can also change the weapon. That was rifle, and this is shotgun. Bam. This is the rifle. And you also have missile. But the missile will require you to actually aim at something. At something that is missileable. If not, it will just go up and it will come down eventually. See? But if I'm aiming at something, the missile will chase that target until it runs out of juice. So yeah. What's next? I think I'm gonna have to change the missile coding actually. I just realized the missile active thingy, it's like it's counted from the origin point of it at the first time. So if I shoot a missile for example, and the target just run around the original point, the missile will never run out of juice. So I'm gonna have to change that later. As for the enemy right now, if I get too close, will run away. Chew. And when it will also do a strafing like that when it's at optimum distance to engage. But if I run away, it will chase me. Like so. So yeah, you can shoot them. Very tricky. A tricky bastard. Back here. See, I missed one of the missile. The missile keeps chasing it. There's no damage system just yet though. But if you just keep pushing forward like this, it will just run away in the straight direction. Mimiaru, howdy. Okay, so let me show you the code for that. Wait. So we have here the player control, right? Now I actually divided the mech control and player control and the AI control. So mech control is basically just a script that controls the mech. You know? So like the mech is a machine, right? And the AI and AI and player are the pilot. So the mech doesn't on its own. It's not doing anything. The mech, it's just there. It will just keep applying desired propel at pixel update. And you can tell the mech to turn, you can tell it to like propel, you know, move around. You can also tell it to shoot its weapon and all that. You can also change its weapon. The player is the one that control the mech. So here we have like the change weapon input, and then we have the shooting input, and then we have the turning input, something like that. And then here's the AI. The AI is basically like the same as player control. It's just that the computer will be controlling it. So it's basically like look at target, right? So when there is a target, the AI will tell the mech to turn to look at the target, and while keeping in range. So here's the keeping range, right? So it will keep checking the distance to the target. If it's more than optimal, that it will chase. If it's less than optimal, then it will run away. And here's the strafing, you know. Now I didn't let me show you again. The enemy, for some reason, it keeps like when it does the strafing, right? It will change almost at random. See? It will change direction almost at random. I didn't mean to do that. Like the code itself, it only tells the enemy to just strafe in one direction, and that's it until the player gets too close or too far. But I think because when the enemy is strafing like that, somehow the distance gets too far or too close, so it will randomize the strafing again, and so now it strafe left and right like that. Kinda nifty actually. That looks cool, so I won't be changing that anytime soon. Wait, hello, accepting hello. What's up? Okay, so let's see now. What next should we do? I kinda want to change the missile thingy. Let's see. Projectile. So like bomb shoes. Fly when we enter in the game. The terrain texture is a bit blurry. Can you scale it? Oh yeah, this is just a prototype. I know that the ground texture is like that. It's basically just this one texture, and it's really big, and so that's why it gets blurred like that. But well, it's just prototype, just to easily show that there's movement. Because if it's just white, it's not really apparent that there's movement. So yeah. Mantap, hello. But in the final version, we're not going to use this texture, I think. I'll make proper one. Now let's see. Shoot. Distance. Out of range. Distance. Blah 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 blah. Sure. Hold on. Let me think. I gotta think for this thing. Effective range. What is the homing? Out of range. Is there anything that is called on the update here? Oh, there is. Hi. So the effective range, and then blah blah blah. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. We have homing speed, right? And float homing time. So instead of out of frames, if not homing, then we return this one. Else, if it is homing, then we return homing time. Let's make home private float homing timer equals 0. Okay. Return. Now at the start, if we are homing, if the projectile is a homing type, so we're gonna do homing timer equals homing time. And over here, when we are homing, if lock target is not null, rotation, blah 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 blah. And here we're gonna be like homing timer time.time time, like so. Okay. So now the projectile. Oops. The homing projectile, the missile, will eventually die out. It doesn't matter how far it is. What matters is the homing power, homing time, homing duration. Gathering together seems to hit homing timer to 0. Yeah, I changed that. I can't change the code. What the hell? Oh, weird. Where is it? Effect. So projectile. We don't have effective range anymore for this one then. Missile here. Effective range should be 100 on this one. Yes. I'm gonna go to the toilet first. I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Atanarika, hello. The stress of so much I thought Rish's beard turned white. Rio, hello. Yes, okay, so let's try it out first. Forgot. So projectile, the homing time, let's say it can stay up for 10 seconds. Oh, that's right. Welcome. Why did you come? Nice, it's still working like this, huh? What if I'm way too far though? What happened? Will I think the missile, I can't even see the missile anymore. It's too far away, yaba. Anyway, so homing projectiles. Indeed. So now we are going to make the enemy actually shoot back. You know, the enemy has to be able to like hit back. What to do? So air control. Keep range. Blah blah blah. Fire. Or maybe like attack. I could fight attack if target equals no. So if we don't have target, we can have a turn. And then if distance is smaller than engage distance minus plus tolerance, then we will be shooting, right? We will keep shooting. Make the shoot the hand index. Okay, so hand index is like the hand is basically how much weapon a mech can operate at the same time. So there may be possibly enemies that can operate like 10 weapons at the same time, but player will probably just have like 3 hands, you know, right hand, like left hand, and utility. And each hand will have their own different weapons, something like that. I'm not sure if I want to like enable like loadout customization or anything. I'm not sure over now, but for now I just want to make the, you know, make the mechanism work. Soldier, hello. Susuna, hello. Aku jadi aki-aki. Christmas, that's why. Coding 101. Lagi ngoding, yes. Okay, so we're gonna shoot the main weapon, and then we're gonna aim at the target. Look rotation. No. Quaternion. Look rotation. Transform the position, and then target dot position, right? And then transform dot lock target. It's going to be the target as well. Yes. Now we'll see. When we get too close to the enemy should now be able to shoot back. Come here. It's not shooting. Of course it's not shooting. I forgot. I didn't call the attack function. Of course lah. I stupid. I so stupid. Okay, play. Shoot me. Oh, nice. It's shooting. But something's wrong with the bullet. Okay, ちょっと待って。I wonder why though. Let's see. We have a target sensor. The already layer sensor. The rifle is already at projectile, so that shouldn't be a problem. Nande kana? Projectile and sensor, they don't collide. It's okay. What is the problem, I wonder? Hitting themselves, probably, yeah. Okay, let's check out the transform position, the rotation. Oh, you stupid. No wonder lah. Target the position minus transform the position. That's the correct one. Okay. So yeah, I was aiming at something that was not the player. See? Nani? Heme! Yamete kudasai! Yamete kudasai! Okay, hold on. There's something wrong with it. So it's not target the position that is supposed to be like this. So it's going to be like hands. No. It's gonna be mech and dot hands 0 dot weapon dot hold. Bullet hold position. So it's going to shoot from the we're going to calculate the aiming from the bullet hole of the first weapon. Hello, I need to take over the world. I am. Whoa. Why are you shooting over there, Mike? Idiot. What the hell happened? It's not supposed to be like that, what? So make hand weapon. Oh! So wrong one. Then what? It's lagging. It's lagging again. Honestly, for some reason, the Visual Studio always like. Thank you, Leon. Hello, commenter. Come on now. Stop lagging. I second Tyler. Stop lagging lah. It's not even something heavy. What? Oh, Visual Studio. What are you doing in the back there? Ma, Nanio. Nanio, ma. There you go. Target. There you go. And now if you go back to the game, it should work. Oh, this work. Come now, come. What? Nice! It's working. Now it's actually shooting at me. How do you like that? Oh, you think that's cool, huh? You think that's awesome, huh? I also cannot hit him. And I have to lead the shot, you know. Oh no, I missed 3 of them. Nice. Hello, this is a John Woo action movie. All shooting, no hitting. All shooting, no hitting. Omicom, hello. Eric, hello. I tried to give you some games, but my PC couldn't keep up with it, so I stuck to my desktop apps development development. Aww. I will get a better PC soon then. Okay. Bye bye Winterhell, thank you for coming. Okay, so now the enemy have more than one weapon, right? So what we are also going to for in hold on. Chochi omachi. Oh. Aye. So we are going to shoot every single weapon available. Mac dot hands dot land. This is going to be I, and this is going to be I as well. Total position, blah 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 blah. Color index. Let's see. Wait. Let's see how it goes. So now the enemy should be able to also shoot its missile at me. Let's see. Pew 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 pew. Wah! Missile is coming. Goodbye. Chung 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 chung. Whoa! Oh, that's too quick. Wah! I can't. Can I shoot the missile in the air? I think I should be able to, but I'm not sure. It's super hard. The hell? I can't. Help! I'm being barraged by style. Oh, choo. Okay. What's Unity version is this? This Unity is 2020.1.10 F1. Sorry that chat doesn't know John Woo. I'll guess it's time to watch here while during your next Let's Watch. John Woo. I think John Woo is like some kung fu thingy, wasn't it? I also actually don't really know. I know the name, but never really actually watched, you know. Ta. How many languages do you know? I know Indonesian, English, and a bit of Japanese, but if you mean like programming language, then I only know C# and that's it. Every single weapon isn't overkill. Well, I mean it's optimum. You know, if I'm the player, right, and I want to kill my enemy as fast as I can, then I'll just use every single weapon at once, I guess. I don't know. Coming OP. Hello. Thanks, I think. But if you don't put max rotation speed on those missiles, then they will hit the player no matter what. There is actually a maximum rotation speed. It's just that probably the rotation speed I set the rotation speed to be too much. Probably. Definitely adding more missile cooldown for the AI to make it less OP. Yeah. Currently the AI is still using the player's weapon, so that's probably why also. It's a Hong Kong action movie director famous for his stylish action scenes. That's nifty. You need to know what genre is dual pistols, churches, and those flying in the scenes. What's the name again? What's the movie name again? Hard Boil, is it? I'm just gonna put it in the movie's recommendation for now. Hard Boil. There you go. Ohaku! Hello! Konnichiwa! 来てくれてありがとう。これはね、今は私はな、シューティングゲーム作るの。見てください。ミサイルあるよ。チュンチュンチュン。Oh! You Griffin just subscribe. Thank you. Welcome. チュンチュンチュンチュン。シュンシュンシュンシュン。シュン。見てください。よし。よし。よし。よし。It's so hard. It's so hard. チュンチュンチュンチュン。他の銃もあるよ。チュンチュンチュンチュンチュン。Yes. Mean programming language. Hello. Hello. While we're on the topic, I think John Woo movies were the prominent spheres of the Max Payne games and the Matrix movies shooting scenes. Oh, because it's stylish. This looks like, what's the name again? Splatoon. Chikawa! Uncle, thank you. Yippee, hello. You're the bulletin of Max Payne inspired John Woo's movies. Oh, have you seen the Flight Status episode? I have. The one with the love triangle and all that. I can't believe there's actually going to be romance in Childhood Friend Never Wins. I still can't believe they managed to somehow put romance in Love Life. Well, I guess because it's Yuri and all that. It's not really Yuri. It's not really romance, to be honest. Like, but that you girl, that's just a main character that was made into a girl and put in there. She's not even an idol, and and beside her swimsuit and school uniform, she always wear boyish outfits. Aya, Buttermilk. Hello. Aya, she's the manager. Okay, anyway, so the AI can now shoot, and we can also shoot back. I want to create now ammo. It's just gonna be simple. It's always the love interest. It's Shinpei. Hi. It's not how you give it to master. Weapon. Effective range. Public and ammo equals 0, and public and max ammo equals 0. Okay, and now we are going to do so we should write and then projectile whole index plus ammo minus. They can shoot. We're gonna add more. If ammo is less or equal to 0, then return false. I want to add a character that isn't an adult, but the love life fandom is allergic to male characters, so they made the character a tomboy's girl. Indeed. I like it though. I really like it. That's the main. That is a harem main character I can get behind. Really cute. Oh, bye bye. Thank you for coming. Yes. Yay. So, yeah, well, we'll keep the flipping and then so let's see. My control. X attack. This is. Oh, here it is. Okay, if make hands that weapon, the ammo is. Maybe I should probably like. Out of ammo. Atomic build out of ammo. Yeah, return ammo minus less or equal to 0. So when the weapon is out of ammo, then make hands. I think there is actually the change hand. No. Hold on, let me see. I forgot. Change hand, current hand. Active weapon plus. Oh, okay. Weapon plus. Like so. So now when the AI is out of ammo in the first for the first weapon, so it will change weapon to another weapon, and the range will also change. You know, the engage range and all that. Hello. Oh, it's not. It can't shoot because there's no ammo. Okay. Let's see. Rifle. I just say that rifle has 100. The missile maybe have like 16. The shotgun has probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably like 100 also. Okay. Rifle is 100. 16. And shotgun is 100. Nice. Three. Shoot me! Pa 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 pa. I'm gonna wait until it runs out of ammo and see what happens. Oh, it's coming in, it's coming. Boom, 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 boom. It changed the shotgun. Cool, nice. Very clever. Here, let me shoot you with missile, my missile. To reward you. Whoa, 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 whoa. So what happened just now was so I locked my missile target into a bullet, and so the missile was chasing that bullet. Looks like he will Ayu. Nice. I don't know. Okay, so Asuga, thank you. Gonna drink first. Kato, Cindy, hello. I got my own lifestyle called Switcher. Oh, that's cool. That's what she say. Switcher. Okay, so another thing I want to add is the enemy should be able to lose the target. Lose the player more like. So it's going to be, I'm gonna add here to private float max distance. Keep range. Look at target, blah blah blah. Let's say lost target. 5 fight, lost target. If target is null, then we're gonna return. Else, if distance is more than maximum detection distance, then the target is going to be null. Like so. So now, if we run away, if we go way too far from the enemy, it will stop chasing. Hello Gabriel, hello. I see Seth. She needs you on this app. Hi, so wait, how do you know that? Also play Moonbase Alpha. Moonbase Alpha. The IUL. I'm gonna put that inside the Moonbase Alpha. There you go. For this purpose, I will reduce the maximum speed of the enemy into 5 so that we can run away more easier. Target. Let's see. This one's taking a second. Saito, did you spend it to make the models? These models are native shapes from the Unity, so I haven't made any model at all. They're just from Unity. I'll say hello, Sikagame. Welcome. Okay, max detection range is, let's say, not 10. So, hold on. Let me check. So you have your effective range is 20, and then the effective range of the rifle bullet is 50. So let's just say that the maximum detection range is 100. So when we are 100 distance away from the enemy will stop chasing us. I also gonna have to make this bigger, I think. Perhaps. Chance. Wah! Gerunda! I'm still chasing. Oh no! Gerunda! Jojo reference. Haha, you're approaching me. And laughing. Hello, such a long range. Yeah. I think it's still chasing me. What the hell? What is the distance right now? Oh my god. Ito natin eh. Distance. So you just gonna debug it. Automatic sniper. Let's just say max speed is 1. Why not? I need the tasks anyway. There is sniping mechanic in the game. I'm not sure yet. Probably not. And we're out of range. It should stop now. See? It's not moving at all. Nice. Perhaps there will. I planned this to be just a simple game, by the way. It's not like going to be like a simulation game or anything like that. I mean, I'm still working alone. Humming bullets. Yamba. Sniping mechanic though, huh? I guess if it's just like zooming in, is that sniping enough? But if you're talking about wind direction and all that, no. There won't be anything like so. Though it will be cool if there is. Yes. Okay, so the enemy can now lose the player. That is awesome. I'm just gonna upload it. Hello gaming, hello. Yeah, so I suppose the enemy is done now. The AI is pretty much done. So if I want a more, when I want to make enemy, I just simply change their loadout and they will, act accordingly to the loadout. Reloading function? No, there's no reloading function. What the shooting units? Laser swords! Yeah. I can put a laser melee weapon as well later. Since you probably will run out of ammo at some point. But yeah, there's no reloading function, so I'm still what's it called? I'm copying the Armored Core. I did play the PSP version, so I'm not sure if there is any reloading function in the more modern sequels, but from what I remember, they don't have reload. All the ammo are inside the weapon already, and when the weapon is out of ammo, they just toss it away. I find that really cool. Like, you're fighting and this one is out of weapon, just throw it away then and bring out another weapon. I mean, if you're talking about mechs, right? Realistically, isn't that like more realistic than having to make reloading function to the mech? Because you're gonna need to use another hand, and then that means you're gonna have to make the hand articulation of that mech to be very flexible, to imitate a human hand. And how do you even control that hand to reload properly? But yeah, I just find that tossing away weapon is cooler anyway, and it's also less work on my part, so yeah. Nothing in laser sword, suggest the armored core way. Using it leads to a field slash, then give a short dash forward. Short dash forward, huh? While shooting doesn't reload, you can purge your weapon to get lighter, use less energy to move. Yeah. The future is now. Hold on though. Laser sword that give a short move forward. How do I use this short move? How do I code this short move? Maybe I can actually use root motion for that. But I don't really plan to use any kind of root motion in this game, to be honest. I just want to use pure physics. I suppose it can actually just add force to the forward and boom, something like that. Sure, why not? So it's not environment friendly. No! What do you mean? Rubik skip, hello! Hello, good morning. Oh, that's Thursday morning, Tofu. Hello, Skokas. Hello! Morning! Hey, anyway, it's almost 1 hour, guys, so I'm gonna pause the game making there. I suppose we still have about 6 minutes or so. So if you want to talk, let's talk. You like Griffin? Hello, welcome. Love watching things better, and I barely understand. Yabba. Well, if you don't understand the coding part, you can always just say to look at the non-coding part. I mean, this is how games were made, Honestly, I still really like how the missile work. It's amusing to look at. Chung 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 chung. Chung ta-da. I always love missiles. Kaneko, hello, that's great. Hi, thank you. Context and use a heavy machine gun. You go slower when you shoot, even retreat a little. Humming bullets, yay. Hello, the floor to deal with. Thank you. That's how the game is gonna be. I think well, it's it's just gonna be like normal mecha game, I suppose. You can change your loadout. Yeah, I suppose you have to be able to change your loadout to make the game a bit more fun, I suppose. As for how the level is, I think it's gonna be linear. You know, you go from stages, I guess, from maps to maps, and there are poses here and there where you can upgrade your max. And yeah, that's it, I suppose. I may also add enemies that are not max, maybe, like, you know, monsters, perhaps. I don't know, we'll see what's gonna happen in the future. This game is barely anywhere anyway. After this, what's I'm gonna do after this? I'm gonna add damage system. So the damaging system is going to I want to make it like more than just HP, you know, like it's just SP. It's just health points, but you have like the usual head and hand, torso, and legs. So if your head got blown off, I plan to make like automatic aiming also a bit later, so you don't really have to really aim at the pinpoint accuracy, but your head will help with the aiming assist. But if your head gets blown off, that aiming assist is gonna be gone. So you're on your own. And if for example, your right hand is blown off, then all your currently equipped weapons on the right hand is also will also be lost, but you can still equip other weapons to your left hand, as long as your left hand can handle the weight of that weapon. And if the leg is blown off, I don't know. What's gonna happen if your legs went blown off there? You can't move at all? How does that work? めっちゃ遅い。なんで Gotta miss anything? Oh, good job. Hello. Going to be another is the best part. Yeah, there will be PvP. I'm not sure about multiplayer yet. We'll see. This is all family friendly. This is not family friendly anymore. That part explode, weapon component, all those feel like battle tech. I like gone off at time we can do fun things. Nani? Instead of letting legs get long, just cripple. I concur. I suppose so. Half speed or poorer turning speed. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just cripple. So the max speed get half, acceleration get half, turn speed also get half, like that. I mean, it's going to be it's a game after all. You can't really like, if it's become too real like that, then how the player are supposed to move around. But if the torso get blown off though, it's a game over, because the pilot is inside the torso, right? And so if the torso is blown off, then the mech is destroyed. Check the entire ankle, you can't run or half speed. I still kinda want to make the whole leg to be blown away though. It looks kinda fun. It kinda looks funny. Maybe there's like emergency, like some kind of emergency accelerator inside the torso, so there you can still move around even without legs, but every time you hit the ground you're gonna take damage to the torso, and your whole speed is going to get, you know, half, something like that. Yeah, that sounds fun. That sounds more cooler. Maybe an explosive weapon damage legs more and laser weapons and damage arms more. I'm not sure about weapon types still though. I'm still not sure about weapon types though. We'll see what will come out of it. Yeah, I haven't had it happen to me, but having my torso on does seems kind of bad. I hope that never happens to you, Killer Griffin. Tell me. Anyway, guys, it's already been 1 hour, so I'm gonna have to go now. For some reason, my Steam is blinking. I don't know why. Also, I finished downloading Cyberpunk. Yay! The release date is 2 days from now. So it's like 10 December. I can't wait to play it. Oh my god. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Mama. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see nope, I'm not gonna see him again later today. But I'll be at Nikorin channel. You can check her out, please, guys. We gonna have a collab later. I'm gonna teach her how to make a Flappy Bird. It's probably going to be a stressful stream. Because he's a total beginner, I think. So yeah. And as for the Cyberpunk, yeah, I'm gonna talk about it because I'm hype about it. Okay, can't stop me. As for the Cyberpunk, the exact release hour is 7 I think, 7 a.m. in 10 December here. So I'm gonna stream it from 8 a.m. so I won't be playing it right when it's released as I always want to, but I'm gonna wait until 8 a.m. so that everybody can come. You know, the usual stream. I'm gonna take a day off from work also. I'm gonna stream for 2 hours from 8 a.m. all the way to 10 a.m. So you'll watch me my first 2 hour in Cyberpunk. And also from there, I'm probably going to stream again at, hold on, let me check the schedule. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll also stream again at 7 p.m. like usual, you know, for the next stream. And it's still gonna be Cyberpunk. Meanwhile, after the morning stream, I'm still gonna keep playing the game all the way until night, because why the hell not? I've been waiting for years for this game. Okay, again, guys. Oh, Pistol is here. Hello, Pistol. Okay. For now, have a nice day, have a nice night, and take care. Bye-bye. Smile. I want to say the line. Hold on. And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. What's the lyric for this thing? And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your property. It's not property, idiot. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in giving you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please ride home carefully and come again soon. Good night. It's not even night here though. Bye bye.